Have you ever wondered what is PAT? PAT as in port address translation. Port address translation is often a technique which is often related to NAT. NAT again, network address translation. The interesting thing about port address translation is simple. You have just one IP address through which you are actually connecting to multiple other systems on the backend. For example, let us consider 1.2.3.4. And we all know that there are 65,536 TCP ports and 65,536 UDP ports, right? Imagine each of this port has associated services running on the respective ports. But apart from that, these ports can also be mapped to a specific individual physical system on the backend. For example, port number, say 50 can be connecting to a particular machine that is running on the backend, which is running a SMTP server. Port number 51 may help you connect to a FTP server running on the backend. Port number 53 can help you connect to an SNMP server on the backend. So you are actually connecting to 1.2.3.4, but on the same IP 1.2.3.4, port number 50 connects to another machine, which is an FTP machine. 51, 1.2.3.4:51 helps you connect to an SMTP. IP 1.2.3.4:53 helps you connect to an SNMP server, which means one single IP address helps you connect to multiple machines on the backend. This particular technique is called the port address translation. For making this understanding a lot easier, let me give you an example of a receptionist working in an organization. You call an organization and the receptionist picks the call. And after she picks the call, she asks, whom do you want to connect to? You give an extension number 123. It connects to Bala. 124, it connects to Anita. 125, it connects to Vinod. 126, it connects to Ajay, right? So every single extension number connects to a different person physically on the backend. Likewise, imagine instead of the receptionist, you have a particular system and the system is configured with PAT, and every single extension number that I told you corresponds to a port number, and each of these port number corresponds to a particular system itself on the backend, right? I hope you all did learn something from this. In case you did, consider subscribing.